You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely. And I'm your willing victim. My friends already told me, but I don't wanna listen. 'Cause I love the way you hold me. And I don't need a reason. 'Cause I don't wanna be.
Hello guys, and thank you for joining me on another video. This is a video I've been holding off on for quite a while, so I do apologize. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but honestly, when I first done this, it took me so long to figure out that I gave up on actually recording. So this video is more showing you kind of what I've done. The tutorial is not going to be very clear, so there'll be some areas where you'll have to figure out, but if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer. Essentially, this video is going to cover how we're going to install LED light bars in the front and in the back. So the front ones I bought them as blue-white from eBay. They were £7 a pair. So the actual materials to put this together cost me a total of $14, which is very, very cheap. In the back, we got some red LEDs, and I'm going to show you how we did it. So before I actually show you everything, essentially what happened is I put the front LEDs inside the grill, the kidney grills, and then the back LEDs I actually put it under the tail lights because there's a little gap in there, which I've managed to squeeze the LED bar in. Okay, so here's the first video where I'm trying to show you where the wiring is, and I'm going to talk to you a bit about how we worked out the wiring in a moment. So you got the lights here. I had to take this out, put the lights in, glue them in. They come with the glue, double-sided tape. Then on both sides, the wire then comes out from here, as you can see right here. That's the wire from down there, comes here. I've connected it to a connector, which I've then taped around here. This connector, then I can attach these thicker wires in. Okay. So what I've done is the earth, which is this one, I've wired that to the car here, and then the live, which is the red, goes all the way into the car lighter. I've then used a clip to put it in the car lighter, and then this wire here is essentially the other side. So the earth is here and it attaches over here. This is the earth. And then the live, which is this, is attached to this one. So what then happens is, though, when the car starts, one gets turned on first, then the other one gets turned on. They don't turn on together. So maybe you might want to change that, but that's what I did. And then inside the car, this comes from here to there, across, all across again. And then I've put it in from under, and it comes out from here. And essentially I've attached it to the cigarette lighter wire. It's a very thick wire, so I've attached it to it, and it's under here. You need to watch a video on how to remove this. Apologies, I can't show you that because it took me a long time to do. It was mainly figuring out the wiring. So I used the lighter to wire the front and the back. In this section I'm just showing you the trim being removed, and essentially it's that big red wire there that I've attached the cables to. It seemed quite thick, so I thought it would be good to attach to this one because it will have a lot of power. I'm just going to pause the video there and show you exactly which wire it is. So yes, I put the wires together and then attach it to that one. Now I'm just going to show you a small clip of how you actually can attach these wires together. So in this section I'm showing you how to actually attach the wires to the lights, because I did that in the back for the turn signals. I figured out which wire was the turn signal one, and that's the one I attached it to. I had to do a bit of testing, use the ovometer to figure that out, but I'll let you figure that out yourselves. So the way to attach it is I use one of these clips. You put in the new wire, which is a black one here, and then you sort of go over the other wire, and then you squeeze that metal clip across both, and that's what causes the connection between both of them. I'm sure there's probably other better methods to do this, but this is what I did. And in this area I'm just doing it to my other car here. So you squeeze them across and then you just cover them off with the cap. That's done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, apologies I'm not showing you the whole tutorials because it took me a long time. I was very frustrated. It might take you a little time as well, but I know you're gonna have a lot of questions. I'm more than happy to answer all of them. So please, do send whatever questions you have. And then, if when I do this on my other car, I will try to make a more detailed video. Okay.